beautiful people, we are back here with another tutorial, but y'all, let's get right into it. We are using a 6mm hook for this one. We have some Bernat Softy chunky yarn. It is a size 6 yarn, but y'all can use any yarn that y'all want to. In this colorway we have dark green, and this is considered a super bulky. I would say use a size 6 because the booties come out a little better with the size 6 that I've seen. So what we're going to do is start off with our magic ring, and then we're going to go right on into that thing, y'all, and pull up that magic ring, and we're going to chain one. The chain one does not count as a stitch. And what we're going to do is go into that ring 10 times, 10 half double crochets into the magic circle, y'all. So you're going to see me go around 10 times in this magic circle, and then I will meet y'all at the end of the 10 half double crochets. All right, y'all, we are at the end of those 10 half double crochets. I'm pulling that string tight, and as you can see, I'm showing y'all here of the stitch we're going to go into. Like I said, that chain one does not count, so we're going to go into that first stitch, and we are going to slip stitch, chain one, and we're going to go back into that stitch, and we're going to increase all the way around. So what we're going to do is two half double crochets into each chain space around. So by the end of this round, we will have 20 half double crochets. Again, I'm going to let y'all work those half double crochets, and I'm going to see y'all at the end of this round. All right, y'all, we have made it to the end of that increase round, and we are going to slip stitch into our first stitch, and then we are going to chain one. And for the next couple of rounds, however it corresponds to the chart that I've made, you are going to do the rows that measures out for your foot. I would say make sure that you actually go in and check it as you go, because it may be too small, maybe too big. These are just some measurements that I came up with, and depending on your tension and how you crochet, it could change, and that's okay. So make sure you're checking your work as you go along to make sure that you have the correct size. So as I'm showing here, I'm just showing you how I half double crochet all around. Now we are back here. I am doing a smaller one just to show for the tutorial. So I did 8 rounds because I'm doing like a size 5 for my daughter, and I'm just showing you in this how that rounds looks. Now right here, after that amount of rounds that I needed, I'm going to go right back in to that first stitch, and we're going to slip stitch into that and chain one. Same thing we've been doing throughout the pattern. We're going to chain up that one. Now we are going to half double crochet after I'm counting this up just to show y'all. We are going to half double crochet 12 half double crochets to start making the heel of this pattern. Now I have the heel measurements on it as well. Same thing as I said about the foot measurements. It may work out for you, but if it does not, I want you to make sure that you're trying it on, measuring out that heel to make sure that it fits your foot. If not, hey, add another row. If you have to take one away, it is okay. These are just some measurements that I came up with that, due to my tension and how I crochet, it works really well. But like I said, let's do 12 half double crochets to work on the heel, and you can see me doing that here. So we're going in 12 half double crochets. Once we get to that 12th one, we're going to chain one, and we're going right back into that same stitch, and we're going to just go right back down. So we're not going around, we're just going across at this point with 12 half double crochets, chaining up, and we're going to do the amount of stitches that we need. Here you can see that for the size 5, I did 4 rounds, and I'm counting it up, just showing you. And what I'm going to do at the end of my round is chain up one, and I'm going to fold that back because I am going to slip stitch all down that row. Now, if you like to single crochet better, you can do that. But for me, I like the slip stitch, but it just depends. Whatever you like. If you want to slip stitch it, if you want to sew it, if you want to single crochet, just do what you like. You know, with crochet, there's no rules to this thing. You can make this as personalized as you want to. It's not like no right or wrong way. All right, y'all. I slowed this one down a little bit because I had a good bit to say on this one. What we're going to do is connect here, and then you're going to go around and just half double crochet around. For me, for the size 5, I came up with 24 stitches, but you do whatever stitches that you can get around. There's no right or wrong stitches. For when I did my size 9, I came up with 28 stitches. So just evenly try to go around the base. And whatever stitches you get, remember, because you're going to use that for your next booty as well. All right, so now after we make that first initial round from connecting, we're going to go right back in to that first stitch, and we're going to half double crochet all the way around. This is just a simple half double crochet around. Whatever amount of stitches that you got, you're just going to, like I said, go in and out that half double crochet around. And I will see y'all after we get to the end of this round. All right, y'all, we are back. We did 2 half double crochet rounds around, and what we are going to do is do 2 more rounds of half double crochet, but this time we are going to do it in a back loops only. I'm going to put the direction on the screen because I do not have, after the 2 back loop only rows, we are going to add 1 row of single crochet, and that will finish off our booty. So I want you to remember that, and y'all, we will be finished. All right, sorry guys, I had to come back in just to let you know that I put the information of the directions on how to do it on the screen because I did not have a clear video showing the last couple of rounds that I did. So if you follow those final rounds description that's on the video, or directions that's on the video, you will actually finish it off in the correct way. I hope y'all really enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.